This is a cheese slicer. Can you guess how much it makes on Amazon? Over $40,000 a month. Now for you to sell a product like this that'll actually make you money, you just need to make sure you have these three things. Number one, lots of people are searching for it. Number two, not many people are selling it. And number three, it's cheap enough for you to manufacture it in China and make a profit on Amazon. You can see this cheese slicer is actually made for $9.47, but it sells on Amazon for about 15 bucks. So it's really not that profitable. So let's find something that is. Now, when you go to Amazon.com, there's a million products to choose from. So to find products that meet our three criteria, we need to dig a little bit deeper. And to do that, I like to use a tool called Helium 10. Now they have a drop-down Chrome extension, which is completely free to use. It's called X-Ray. So when you click on X-Ray, what's gonna happen? It's gonna read all the data on Amazon and show you the actual numbers. So you can see here, this product gets 300,000 sales a month, 100,000 sales a month. Because one of the biggest mistakes rookie sellers make is they sell something based on their opinion, meaning I think this is a cool product. The truth is, you need the data to know if a product is gonna be profitable or not. For example, I had a student and she sold these exact compression socks because she used them every day and she thought it would be a cool idea to sell. The problem with this is when you look here, you'll see the reviews. 50,000, 50,000, 29,000. And what this is showing you is that it's very competitive. So even though lots of people want to buy this, there's too many sellers selling this and they're doing a really good job selling it. So as a new seller, it's going to be harder for you to sell this product. Think about it from a buyer's perspective. If you're trying to buy these compression socks and you see these products with thousands of reviews and then you see a new product with 0 reviews, which one are you more likely to buy? Of course, the one with thousands of reviews. So you want to find products more like these density cubes that actually have a bit more of an opportunity. So when you look at these density cubes, you'll see lower reviews is the one thing. So low reviews, 97 reviews, 7 reviews, 36 reviews. Another thing you'll see, not many sellers selling the exact same thing. So we only have 2 here that are in the box. The rest of them are scattered and they're not very good. And when I say not very good, I mean the listing sucks. So let's look at this one right here. The listing is literally sideways, the image, which means if you're a seller and you do a better job listing these products and you are one of a few that are actually doing well, you have more opportunity to sell because competition is low. So that's one of the 3 criteria. The next of the criteria is lots of people are searching for it. So again, we're gonna go back to our free tool, Helium 10's X-Ray, and at the top left, you'll see something called search volume. That means every single month, how many people are searching the keyword density cubes. Now the thing about Amazon is that they are a search engine, and your biggest benefit being an Amazon seller is that lots of people are already using it to search out for products that they want to buy. You just have to show up for these searches. So you want to see how many searches every single month are coming up for these certain keywords. For example, density cubes has 822 searches a month, where if we look at compression socks, you'll see 120,000 searches every single month. So the demand here is huge compared to the density cubes. So let's go out and see how to actually find these products. Number one, I always like to say, pick a niche or pick a persona, meaning who are you going to sell your products to? So for example, if you wanted to actually sell these compression socks, maybe it's because you like sports or you like running. So one cool way to find products for free without any paid software is to actually go into Amazon and search running. And what Amazon's gonna do is gonna suggest you a bunch of different products. And the way that this works is they know what people are searching for and what people are buying. So if they suggest running shorts or running shorts for men, they know that that's because lots of people are gonna buy this. So if you're a seller, you know that, okay, Amazon thinks there's a market for this product. But a better way to go about this is to actually go ahead and say running A and go about this in an alphabetical order and see all the products that Amazon suggests. So you can see, okay, Amazon A, maybe Amazon ankle support. And you're just gonna click through all these products and see anything that meets our criteria, right? Lots of searches, not much competition. So if we could do a quick scroll through here, we can see all these huge review numbers. Again, this is gonna be too competitive. So you can go back here and say running B, and little by little go through all of these things and see what comes up. Like running boards, what is that? I don't even know. So running board, now you're in a whole different market. You're into automotive, and we can kind of scroll and see these different products. Now, as you can see, obviously this is gonna be pretty tedious and time consuming to go through here, and you're really only stuck in your running niche. Maybe you want sprinting or something like that. So another cool way, if I didn't spell that right, but another cool way to do this is to actually go inside Helium 10's searching software. Inside Blackbox, they're gonna give you a bunch of options, but I'm gonna make this very simple for you so you can start finding products right away. First, click on keywords. This is my favorite search tab because I think it gives you the best opportunity. So from here, Blackbox is gonna give you different keywords that people are searching for. Remember, we wanna find products that lots of people are trying to find, a lot of people are trying to search for. So from here, we can actually filter by search volume. So we can say I want something that people are searching for at least a minimum of 3,000 times and a maximum of say 30,000 times every single month. I want a monthly revenue of at least, I want to make at least $3,000, but nothing more than $50,000 where it's going to be too expensive for me to start the business. Minimum price, $20, so I have a profit margin. Maximum price, we'll leave it at that. And then we can even filter by the review count to even filter down competition even more. Maybe we'll say 300. And from here, we can just click search. But again, we want to pick our niche. Pick the category that you are interested in, something that you understand. For example, I started my first Amazon brand selling beauty products because I thought they would be profitable, and they were. But I eventually lost that brand because I did not understand makeup as much as my competitors did. So please pick a category that you're gonna understand for the longevity of your brand. So for example, let's go through here and let's say I wanna search office products. You can click on that category and now click search. What Blackbox is gonna do now, it's gonna search through Amazon's entire database. Instead of you going one by one through every single potential keyword on Amazon, Blackbox does it all for you like magic. So here we go. It pulls up everything that matches your criteria. So we can literally scroll through here. So you can see for this search, Bamboo Desk Organizer, it makes on average $12,000 a month with 292 reviews. So we can click these three dots and view on Amazon. It's gonna pull that up right there for us. But we're gonna go back here and keep on scrolling through. And really what I'm looking for are things that seem interesting to me, things that aren't huge like a reception desk, things that maybe, pique my interest, like a flyer holder. That seems interesting. Let's go ahead and open that up. Flyer holders are making $7,000 a month on Amazon. And really you wanna scroll through this a few times to see other products and to see as much as you can. So brochure holder, blank credit cards. Let's look at blank credit cards. That seems interesting. I wonder what use case people are buying blank credit cards for. Now, one thing you wanna keep in mind though, when you are trying to sell products on Amazon is a thing called differentiation. And this is the biggest key takeaway of this video. If you're gonna sell products and be profitable on Amazon, you need to make sure that you can stand out. Now, if it's a product like blank credit cards, there's no real way for you to stand out besides offering more cards, 500 cards. There's nothing that you can do that's special. Maybe this guy who did a blank one, that's kind of special. But if it's something where everyone seems to be doing the same product, like this fidget spinner market, which we all know was a big fad, then it's gonna be hard for you to stand out as a seller. So also consider that when you're looking for products. The same reason, I might not consider looking at these brochure holders. So now we have the Bamboo Desk Organizer, and this is a good example of a differentiation. So first, let's look at X-Ray and see what the market looks like. Remember, we're looking for search volume, we're looking for reviews, and we're looking for competition of the other competitors. We got 4,000 searches a month, which is not bad. And I'll show you one more thing about keywords in a second. But first, let's go ahead and look at the review counts. So review counts, they do seem a little bit higher, but not impossible. A lot of people will tell you don't sell a product if it has, more than 200 reviews. But the truth is, if you can come to market with something different enough, and the reviews are in the 100, 200, 300 range, you can still stand out. So let's go through here and see if there's anyone that's doing something very different and see if they are standing out. This one has a circular look to it, so he's definitely the one who stands out on the image. This one's not even bamboo, and we can go here. And so here we have something super different, not even the same product it seems like. So let's click into this and see exactly what these guys are selling. So Bamboo Desk Organizer, and we can kind of see. So this seems like it is a desk organizer that's modular that goes inside your desk. So this is a totally different take on this keyword, Bamboo Desk Organizer. So if we pull down X-Ray, we can see how much money this product is making every single month, and it comes out to $130,000 every single month for this very simple product. Now, if we go to find this on Alibaba, let's see if we can find a similar one. The closest one would be this right here, which is about $1 to $5 a piece. And again, you would look through this a little bit more in depth on Alibaba, and you can sell it for $22. Now, what I would do, I would go ahead and add this Bamboo Desk Organizer to a list. Now, what I like to use is a site called Notion. It's completely free, and you can build out your entire list on here. So I'll just add this Bamboo Desk Organizer, and I'd open this up, and I have them all kind of saved as templates. So I can put all my products in here, put images, put description. If you actually want to get a version of this template for free, this Notion template, join my free Discord community. It's a community for Amazon sellers that are all trying to start and grow their business and learn how to do this step by step. I have a bunch of free templates. I have a free course that's dropping in there very soon. Just click join the free community. You can message me directly in there as well, as I'm very active inside that community, and you can get this template for free. So now that I have this added to my list, I would go back to Blackbox and keep on searching for more and more products until you have a list built out like this with a bunch of product ideas. And this whole list only took me 3 days to build, only spending an hour a day. So it's a very fast process. Now, the last two things I want to tell you is that when you do product research, what you want to make sure you're doing is not just using Blackbox as the final destination. Really, it's just your entrance way. And what I mean by that is when you go to Amazon, the best thing is that they keep on suggesting more products. So as we go in here, we can click around and scroll to the bottom and see what other products are suggested. So for example, we can go ahead now and click on this product. So this is a totally different product, and now we're in a totally different product from what Blackbox showed us, and now we can run the same exact search using the same criteria to make sure that this product is gonna be something that we actually want to sell. And finally, the thing I wanna mention about keywords is that when you use X-Ray and you see it says 3,000 searches a month, that's only for this one keyword. That doesn't mean the entire product only has 3,000 searches a month. And what I mean by that is you can see the related keywords to flyer holder. And you'll see flyer holder 4x6, flyer holder 5x7, flyer holder stand, flyer holder for wall. All these different keywords combined are what is showing you the true search volume market for a product. So make sure you look at all the related keywords, not just the one search volume for the one search on Amazon. And the way you can do that is inside Helium 10 again, you're gonna use a tool called Magnet, but that's a topic for another video. So go to the link in the description and join the Discord to get all the free resources and say hi to me there. And then click this video right here to see a little bit more about the Amazon FBA process that can power up your life.